These are the Xiaomi Mijia smart audio glasses, and these are for anyone who doesn't want to put earbuds in their ears or headphones over their ears. And one of the big advantages of a product like this is, on top of the audio solution, they also offer eye protection. So if you're going on holiday, this could be a good little setup for you. I have used smart glasses in the past, and one of the best use cases from my personal experience was when I was on holiday and I was just sort of chilling next to the beach or on a sunbed or in a hot tub or something. It's great to actually be able to hear everything that's going on around you whilst shielding your eyes and being able to hear people speaking to you. These sunglasses right here are some of my favorites right now. And let me show you the style of them. They're very, very similar to these pilot style Mijia glasses. So these are actually very much my style of glasses. So I found my ninja knife recently. It went missing for a very long time and I did find it. So here it is, the ninja knife. So first out of the box is the carry case, and I believe the glasses are actually in there. They look quite nice. Before we get to these, let's see what else is in the box. So I believe that this is the charging dock adapter thing. So yeah, this is the charging cable. Those two bits there will attach to the two arms on the glasses. Let's see what else is in the box. So yeah, loads of paperwork in here and more plastic. And we have a cleaning cloth, quite a nice one, and an extremely chunky book. There we go. That's how the glasses look. The lenses are replaceable, so you can put in prescription lenses. And looking at the picture, I actually thought the arms on these would be quite a bit chunkier than this, so I'm quite pleased to see that they're not. So the material used here on the side is called NCVM coating, which apparently rejects water pretty well. Got these nice little ridges around the gold parts of the frame, and there's the mic right here, and there's another one on the other side in the same place. So there appears to be 4 speakers, so 2 back here and then 2 underneath closer to your ears. So that's quite nice. The charging connector just magnetizes onto the ends of the arms. All right, let's try them on. Pretty comfortable. It does kind of make me look like a blind man, the lenses being fully black like that. I usually go for this kind of tinted gradient style. Yeah, not bad. So the weight on these glasses is approximately 40.4 grams, which is nice and lightweight. Xiaomi say at the point where it meets the temple is the thinnest, and it's 5mm. And that's important because when you are wearing them, you don't want them kind of sticking out at the side of your head too far, because that will make them look definitely less stylish. So these glasses have titanium alloy frames, and they use a high durability piano wire hinge, which have been tested for 15,000 flexes. So they're pretty durable. And if you are planning to take these to the beach or sit by a pool and listen to music using these, you'll be happy to know that they do have an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. And you could use these whilst riding a bike or going for a run, and this rating will also protect them from sweat. So these have a quick release system integrated into the design, which will actually allow you to switch the pilot style frame for another one. And the great thing about these glasses is they actually have pretty good sunglass lenses in them. They have an official UV 400 protection, and it actually blocks out 99.99% of ultraviolet light. So when it comes to connecting the glasses to the app, it does use Google Fast Pair, so your glasses should pop up straight away when you first plug them in. So as well as being able to listen to audio through the glasses, you can also record audio by pushing and holding the arm on the right side. You can switch tracks by sliding back and forwards and adjust volume. And there are 2 different listening modes. So there is the normal mode, and then there's the privacy mode. And with the privacy mode on, it will kind of use some noise rejection techniques to stop sound leakage from the speakers. So within Xiaomi's smart glasses app, you can access your recordings if you've done any. You can record phone calls as well, which is kind of cool. Within the app, you can also adjust the gesture settings and remap things as you would prefer. These are the default settings right here. So you've got swipes, push and holds, and taps on either side. So there is another feature within the app that allows notifications to be read out loud through the glasses. There's also a Find My Glasses feature here within the app, and the Bluetooth codec built into these glasses allow for dual pairing. So if you wanted to, you could connect these to your phone and your computer at the same time. You can, of course, then pick up phone calls on your phone or even take conference calls via your laptop. They also have wear detect sensors built in, so when you put them on, they will know that they're on your head and will allow audio to play through. And when you take them off, they will know that they're not being worn and can power down after a certain amount of time. So something to keep in mind if you are considering buying a pair of glasses like this is the audio quality will never compare to earbuds or over-ear headphones because of the distance of the drivers from your ears and then also the sound leakage. So first impressions of the audio quality, there isn't much bass, but the clarity is really nice and the spaciousness of the audio is nice. I think this could be perfect for podcasts and things like that. So first impressions of the sound quality, very good in the mid and high frequencies, not much bass, good spatial audio qualities to it, and volume is pretty decent as well. Now, if you do plan to use these glasses for voice calls, you'll be happy to know there's actually 4 built-in microphones, which have been strategically placed to reduce wind distortion. And when you do decide to record audio via the Mijia glasses, there is actually an LED notification light to let people know that you are in fact recording. The voice when it says recording start is kind of hilarious. I don't know if you guys can see the LED light, but there should be a notification LED light somewhere on the glasses that lets people know that you are in fact recording audio. It's right there. When it comes to battery life, there are actually 2 battery cells at the ends of both arms, and they are 140 milliamp hour batteries, and these glasses can run for up to 13 hours if just listening to music and 9 hours of continuous talk time, and that's a pretty long phone call. When it comes to recharging the Mijia glasses, you use the magnetic adapter and plug it into a USB charging cable, and the full recharge time on these takes around an hour, with a quick 10-minute charge giving you up to 4 hours of audio playback. And although these are different from Xiaomi's previously released AI glasses, what you can actually do is map the tap on the side or push and hold on the side to Gemini and then communicate with Gemini via the glasses, which essentially turns them into kind of AI glasses, although they won't be able to see what you're looking at. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a little demo of what the sound leakage is like when you're not using privacy mode. Then I'll switch on the privacy mode and you can hear the difference. So this is kind of a comfortable listening volume right here. All right, now I'm going to activate the privacy mode and play the same song at the same volume. Here we go. The audio sounds a little more muted, but still audible. Let me know if you can hear a massive difference between privacy mode and the default mode. Okay, now I'm going to do a quick mic test for you guys so you can hear what they sound like if you do use them for phone calls or conference calls. Okay, this is the mic quality you can expect from the Xiaomi Mijia glasses if you're recording in a quiet space. Now let's introduce some road noise. Okay, so now there's some road noise in the background. There are various mics on this device, including noise rejection mics. Is it doing a good job? Let me know in the comments. And now let's test how they would sound if it was noisy and windy at the same time. Okay, this is the mic quality you can expect when it's windy and noisy. Wind is rushing past my left ear, now my right ear, now my left ear. So guys, let me know what you think of the Xiaomi Mijia smart audio glasses. Is this something that you would consider picking up? The current price on these at the time of this video is £179. And just so you know guys, this was recorded live. That's why it's not quite as well produced as some of my other videos. I will be doing more live streams going forward and live reviews and rehearsals, so definitely keep an eye out for that. Appreciate you guys. If you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And if you've just done that, I will see you in the next one. Don't be late.